To use a SIM card in a laptop, you will need a laptop with a SIM card slot, a compatible SIM card, and a data plan from your mobile carrier. First, locate the SIM card slot on your laptop, usually found on the side or back of the device. It may be hidden behind a small door or cover, so you may need to remove this to access the slot. Next, take your SIM card and ensure it is the correct size for your laptop, as some laptops use full-size SIM cards, while others use micro or nano SIM cards. If your SIM card is too large, you can purchase a SIM card adapter to make it fit. Now, insert the SIM card into the slot, making sure it is securely seated and the gold contacts are facing down. You may need to push the SIM card gently into the slot until it clicks into place. Once the SIM card is inserted, go to your laptop's settings and enable the mobile broadband connection. This will allow you to connect to the internet using your SIM card. You will need to enter your SIM card's APN settings, which can be found on your mobile carrier's website or by contacting their customer support. After entering the APN settings, your laptop should connect to the internet using your SIM card. You can then use your laptop to browse the internet, send emails, and use online applications, just like you would with a traditional Wi-Fi connection. It is a good idea to check your data usage regularly to avoid going over your data limit and incurring extra charges. You can do this by checking your mobile carrier's website or by using a data monitoring application on your laptop. In conclusion, using a SIM card in a laptop is a straightforward process that requires a compatible laptop, a SIM card, and a data plan. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can enjoy mobile broadband connectivity on your laptop and stay connected wherever you go.